Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best grooming table is probably one of the most essential tools for any pet owner or professional groomer. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, a good grooming table can make all the difference in your pet's comfort and your own convenience. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of grooming tables, exploring what makes a great one and helping you find the perfect fit for your needs. Number 5. Lyromix 46-foot Dog Grooming Table. This grooming table is built with sturdy metal bracings and a tightly connected H-frame, ensuring stability and durability. Assembly is required. It's made of stainless steel and measures 46 inches long, 24 inches wide, and 30 inches high. It comes with 2 nooses to help you better control your pets during grooming. The adjustable arm can be modified to accommodate pets of different sizes, making the grooming process easier for you. You can keep your pet looking fresh and fabulous without spending a fortune. Both you and your furry friend can enjoy the benefits of grooming at home, saving you money in the long run. This table is a game changer for brushing and grooming your pets. It eliminates the struggle of holding your animal still while grooming and reduces back strain on both you and your pet. With a weight capacity of up to 330 pounds, this table features a large desktop measuring 46 inches long, 24 inches wide, and 30 inches high. It's also designed with a mesh tray to keep your grooming tools within easy reach. What we like? This grooming table is built to last, with a sturdy frame and adjustable arm to accommodate pets of different sizes. It offers a large weight capacity, making it suitable for various breeds. If you have a larger dog or multiple pets, this table provides the stability and space you need for comfortable grooming. What people say? It was easy to assemble, is easily stored, and my husband, who is a big guy, 260 pounds, was able to put his full weight on the table, although I wouldn't suggest doing that. The table is sturdy, easy to put together, take apart and stores easily against a wall or behind the couch. Adjusting the bar that holds the tethers is easy, and when it's tightened it stays in place. My dog doesn't slide around on the table when wet with the textured surface. Number 4. Breeze Touch 32 inches Dog Grooming Arm. This grooming arm easily adjusts to your ideal height with simple clamp knobs. It extends up to 35 inches and fits tables up to 2 inches thick. This makes grooming easier. The no-sit haunch holder and loop noose securely hold your dog. This helps keep them standing comfortably and prevents excessive movement, making grooming a better experience. Made of heavy-duty, rust-proof coated iron, this arm is built to last. It effectively prevents corrosion, keeping it looking new even after long-term use. The innovative foldable design collapses to less than 20 inches. This makes it easy to carry, set up, and saves a lot of space for storage. Perfect for various grooming tasks at home. This arm is ideal for bathing, drying, hair cutting, and nail trimming. It's suitable for both professionals and amateur pet groomers. What we like? This grooming arm is designed for convenience, featuring a foldable design for easy storage and transport. The secure restraint system keeps your pet comfortable and still. If you are looking for a portable solution for grooming small to medium-sized dogs at home, this is a great choice. What people say? This works great. Keeps my pup in a standing position so she can be groomed. Easy setup, sturdy. It's lightweight, easy to assemble, and just the right size for our Pomeranian. The slip-resistant platform gave him good stability, and he did really well when we put him up there to trim him. It's a fantastic tool for at-home grooming. Exactly what I needed to trim up my dogs between grooming appointments. I put it together in 5 minutes, was perfect for my Havanese, and he was already trained to be in it. He calmed right down immediately. Number 3. Modern Innovations Dog Grooming Arm Kit. This 12-piece kit has everything you need for grooming your dog. It includes a grooming arm, various scissors, nail clippers, and more. It's a complete set to keep your pet looking their best. The grooming arm adjusts from 22.8 to 41 inches, suitable for small to medium dogs. The clamp fits tables up to 2 inches thick. You can easily adjust the harness to fit your pet comfortably. The tools are made of high-quality stainless steel and come in a PU leather case. The nail clippers have a wavy grip and a safety stop. This ensures safe and effective grooming. The grooming arm folds up for easy storage and portability. The kit includes a zippered case to keep all the tools organized. It's easy to take it with you anywhere. The clamp is 8.3 inches high, and the steel arm adjusts from 22.8 to 41 inches. It extends 15.5 inches long. The harnesses come in different sizes to accommodate your dog. What we like. This grooming kit offers amazing value, including a wide array of tools to meet all your grooming needs. The adjustable height accommodates both small and medium-sized dogs. If you like having everything you need in one convenient package and want professional quality tools, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Makes grooming my dog, even with no experience, easier. Adjustable in height so you could use for different sized dogs. Sturdy. The whole kit is amazing. The scissors are lightweight and sharp, the nail clippers are sharp and easy to use. The nooses are durable so far and the arm adjusts to many size dogs. All around great kit for beginner or a pro. Number 2. YITAHOME 42 Pet Grooming Table. This pet grooming table is built to last. It features a sturdy steel frame that can hold up to 310 pounds. There is also a storage tray to keep all your grooming tools within reach. This grooming table is designed for easy use and storage. The legs fold up, and the grooming arm is detachable. This makes it simple to move and store when not in use. The table is designed with your pet's comfort in mind. The non-slip, waterproof surface is gentle on their paws and easy to clean. The included noose and restraint ring help keep them safely in place. The grooming arm is adjustable to suit different pet sizes. It's easy to adjust the height with the knob. The table legs are designed for stability and have rubber feet to protect your floors. The tabletop is waterproof and static-free, making it easy to clean and maintain. The surface prevents hair and dust from sticking, and the aluminum alloy edges add extra protection. What we like. This grooming table is designed for ease of use, with foldable legs for easy storage and transport. The non-slip desktop provides a safe and comfortable surface for your pet. If you are looking for a convenient and safe grooming solution for your pet, this table is a great choice. What people say. The table is sturdy and easy to set up. The grooming arm is adjustable and works well. The non-slip surface is a great feature. Number 1. YITAHOME 24 Electric Lift Dog Grooming Table. This electric grooming table has a powerful motor and foot pedals for easy height adjustment. It allows large dogs to get on and off the table comfortably. You can groom your pets without bending over. This professional pet grooming table is built to last. It has a sturdy steel frame and can hold up to 110 pounds. The adjustable legs ensure stability, and the elevated arms prevent accidents. This grooming table includes a storage box for your tools. It also has an AC outlet and USB port for easy access to your grooming equipment. This helps keep your grooming area tidy. The countertop is made of non-slip, waterproof silicone. It's gentle on your pet's paws and easy to clean. Use the grooming noose and restraint ring to keep your pet in place. Groom your pet anytime with this electric lift table. It's suitable for all small pets, including cats and various dog breeds. It's perfect for grooming, brushing, trimming, and dressing. What we like. This grooming table offers the ultimate in convenience with its electric height adjustment and rotating desktop. The built-in tool organizer keeps everything within reach. If you are looking for a professional-grade grooming experience, this table provides the features and convenience you need. What people say. Plenty of up and down movement and the top is easy to clean. The range of heights on this table is wide. I can turn the table to what part of the dog I want to work on without picking up or pushing the dogs. Therefore the dogs are more relaxed because I'm more relaxed, and my grooms are better because I can work more easily on the specific parts of their bodies that can be hard to reach when bending. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.